Want to know how to build business credit? If so, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll show you the 5 simple steps on how to build business credit without putting your personal finances at risk. Building your business credit can be a great way to start building your company's credit history and improve its overall financial standing. There are several ways to build business credit, and in a moment, we'll discuss the best methods for doing so. Also, I'm going to tell you about the easiest and most effective way to build your business credit, without a personal guarantee or personal credit check. Also, if you get any value from this video, please like this video, subscribe and comment below. It really helps support the channel and allows us to continue to provide you with more videos like this. Why is it important to build business credit? If you are a sole proprietor, it is important to understand that there is no legal or financial separation between you and your business. This means that any credit or funding you obtain will be tied to you as an individual and it will be reflected on your personal credit reports. This means you are personally liable, which you want to avoid if at all possible. Having a business credit card is a great way to separate your personal and business expenses, and it can also help build your business credit score, which can help you get business financing. When it comes to a company's financial capacity, building business credit is critical. Your business, whether you operate as an LLC or a corporation, can have its own credit file that is separate from you as an individual. When you register a business, it is regarded as a distinct legal entity that may enter into contracts. It is considered to be a separate being from you as an individual. That's why it's so important to start building your business credit. The first step in keeping your business and personal finances separate is to build business credit for your company. This will allow you to keep track of your expenses and make borrowing money for your business easier when you need to. You should know, there are many videos that will claim to show you how to build business credit all by yourself, and although it's true, you can embark on this alone. It's not as easy as they make it seem. Having worked with hundreds of business owners, the majority of those that try to build their business credit on their own find it to be too overwhelming and confusing. Ultimately, they just wind up wasting time, getting frustrated, and not getting the results they're looking for. In the end, they were not able to establish business credit, wasted months or even years, and definitely could not get the access to financing that would have helped their business had they gone about it the right way, utilizing the latest technology such as intuitive software and professional help to get it done, which I'll share with you shortly. In a moment, I'm going to discuss the 5 basic steps you need in order to build your business credit, but remember, although these steps are simple, if you decide to go it alone, you find that it's not that easy to get the ultimate results you want if you do not truly understand the nuances involved with each step, especially when it comes to establishing credit lines with the right vendors, and monitoring your progress to maximize your results. There are many factors to consider depending on your particular business. You can certainly use the following steps as a guide to understanding what you'll need to do to get your business ready for building business credit. However, remember that I'm also going to tell you about the easiest way to get this done with the help of an intuitive, easy-to-use credit suite that will guide you step by step without having to go at it alone. Step 1. Choose the proper company structure. To establish your company as a unique legal entity, you must choose a type of business organization such as an LLC, LLP, or corporation. Keep in mind that sole proprietorships do not count as their own separate business entity. Next, you'll need to register your company once you've chosen the business structure. The registration step is determined by your structure and the location of your business. Step 2. Obtain a federal tax ID number, EIN. You can apply for a federal tax ID, also known as an EIN, for free on the irs.gov website. The EIN is a 9-digit number that is assigned to your company and will be used for various activities, such as submitting corporate tax returns, opening a business bank account, requesting licenses and permits, and applying for business credit. Think of it as similar to your social security number, but it is strictly for your business and not as an individual. Step 3. Open a business bank account. After you've determined your business entity type and obtained your federal tax ID, you'll want to open a business bank account. This is an essential part of establishing a clear distinction between your business and personal expenses. Your company's relationships with the banks are important for its ability to get business loans. Your business bank account not only acts as a bank reference on credit applications but also provides important information to lenders while they conduct a funding review. Step 4. Establish credit with vendors, suppliers who report. Applying for net terms with vendors and suppliers is one of the best ways to acquire business credit. If you take out a loan to finance your business, the items you buy on credit, as well as the payments you make, are recorded to the business credit agencies. This process establishes your company's credit history and business credit report. A company credit rating, score, is generated after your firm has a number of trade lines reporting. Keep in mind, it's critical to pick vendors and suppliers that report to a business credit reporting agency. Each relationship you have is also a trade reference. You can use this to your advantage on future credit applications. Step 5. Monitoring your business credit reports. There are 3 major credit reporting organizations to keep track of, so it's critical to check your company credit reports frequently. Each agency obtains data from a variety of sources and may have information that varies about your business. The good news is that each of the business credit agencies has a way for you to update basic information about your company. If you find any outdated or incorrect information, you should notify the credit agency to have the mistake corrected. By building a solid credit history, you may obtain greater credit approvals, improved interest rates, and repayment conditions on loans and lines of credit. It's also important to establish a diversity of accounts with other types of business credit, such as a line of credit. This is where our solution comes in handy. By taking advantage of our Business Credit Builder platform, you'll have access to a proven, field-tested, business owner-approved, and highly personalized step-by-step process. I hope the 5 simple steps we outlined in this video were helpful for you as a starting point to building business credit for your company. If you want to learn more about how to build your business credit in the most efficient and fastest way possible, click on the link below in the description, where you can schedule a free consultation with one of our business credit experts to help you with your business credit goals. If you prefer, you can call First Choice Business Capital at 877-235-0672 or visit us at firstchoicebusinesscapital.com.